Question number 1. What is the SI unit of power? The right answer is option B, watt. Question number 2. Which law states that energy cannot be created or destroyed? The right answer is option B, law of conservation of energy. Question number 3. The boiling point of water decreases with. The right answer is option D, increase in altitude. Question number 4. Which phenomena explain the blue color of the sky? The right answer is option C, scattering of light. Question number 5. Which type of lens is used to correct myopia? The right answer is option B, concave. Question number 6. The chemical formula of ozone is. The right answer is option B, O3. Question number 7. Which gas is known as laughing gas? The right answer is option C, nitrous oxide. Question number 8. What is the main ore of aluminium? The right answer is option B, bauxite. Question number 9. pH of neutral solution is. The right answer is option B, 7. Question number 10. Which element is common in all acids? The right answer is option C, hydrogen. Question number 11. Which organ in the human body produces insulin? The right answer is option B, pancreas. Question number 12. The powerhouse of the cell is. The right answer is option C, mitochondria. Question number 13. Which vitamin is responsible for blood clotting? The right answer is option B, vitamin K. Question number 14. What is the structural and functional unit of the kidney? The right answer is option B, nephron. Question number 15. The deficiency of iodine causes. The right answer is option B, goiter. Question number 16. Which of the following is the lightest gas? The right answer is option C, hydrogen. Question number 17. What is the SI unit of pressure? The right answer is option A, Pascal. Question number 18. Which acid is present in lemon? The right answer is option B, citric acid. Question number 19. Which device is used to measure electric current? The right answer is option B, ammeter. Question number 20. The hardest neutral substance on earth is? The right answer is option C, diamond. Question number 21. Which gas is the most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? The right answer is option C, nitrogen. Question number 22. What is the main function of hemoglobin in the blood? The right answer is option A, transport of oxygen. Question number 23. What is the pH value of human blood? The right answer is option C, 7.4. Question number 24. Which organ filters waste products from the blood? The right answer is option B, kidney. Question number 25. Which part of the eye controls the amount of light entering it? The right answer is option D, iris. Question number 26. Which gas is released during photosynthesis? The right answer is option B, oxygen. Question number 27. Which blood group is known as the universal donor? The right answer is option D, O. Question number 28. What is the chemical name of common salt? The right answer is option B, sodium chloride. Question number 29. What is the minimum temperature at which a substance catches fire called? The right answer is option C, ignition temperature. Question number 30. Which organelle is responsible for photosynthesis in plants? The right answer is option B, chloroplast.